Satehato friends, my name is Gabriela Chiara Lucas. My parents gave me this name because it's from one of the angels in Catholic. My my class is 2D. For me, it's the most fun class in Narada. My absent number is 6. Now is my lucky number. Today I'm gonna tell a story about these two pictures. In the top picture, there is a girl playing with a big purple kite. But in the bottom picture, there's a girl playing with a small pink kite. I think that the girl changed the kite and went home to get a new one. In the top picture, there's a boy playing with a dog. But in the bottom picture, there's a boy playing with a girl. I think that that the dog went back to its owner. So her sister came and play with the boy. In the top picture, there are two chicks, but in the bottom picture there are three chicks. I think that a new egg just hatched, so there are three chicks. In the top picture, there is a big green bush, but in the bottom picture, there are many colorful buildings. I think that some people need a place to hang out, so they decided to cut the trees and build buildings. In the top picture, there is a duck in the pond, but in the bottom picture, there's a fish in the pond. I think that the duck ran away, so the fish came out. Thank you, friends. Hati-hato.